Hi everybody. Today we are going to start second chapter in ninth class. So it is polynomials and factorization. First we are going to discuss polynomials. Already we know the expressions. In that we learn variables, constants, terms and expressions. We familiar with this all the terms, variables, constants, terms and expressions. Here now we are going to know the polynomial. What is the polynomial? So here polynomial is also a expression, but there is a small difference. That is, so what is the expression? 3x square plus 4x plus 4y square and a 6y plus some 8 x square plus 1 by x plus 8 whatever. So x cube plus x to the power of minus 2 plus 45x some whatever. These all are expressions. In this, it is 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The degree of all the terms is, here it is 2 and it is, there is no degree, means it is 1 and it is 0. So it is 2, it is 1, degree of constant is 0. Here it is x square, it means degree is 2, it is 1 by x. By taking to numerator, it will become x to the power of minus 1. So it is in denominator. After taking into numerator, it will become x to the power of minus 1. So its degree is minus 1. So it is 0. Degree is 3. Here degree is minus 2. It is 1 and it is 0. By observing this all, here all the degrees. So degree of each and every term is a positive integer. Here also positive integer, but here it is not a positive integer. Here also it is not a positive integer. Therefore, these all are expressions, but only these two are the polynomials. These two are not a polynomial. ఇక్కడ అన్ని టర్మ్స్ కూడా డిగ్రీ అనేది పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఉన్నాయి, 210 210, బట్ హియర్ మైనస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ 2. ఇప్పటికే మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండింటిని మాత్రమే పాలినామియల్ అన్నాం, ఇవి కాదు అన్నాం. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరే చెప్పగలుగుతారు, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాలినామియల్? అన్ ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఆల్ ద వేరియబుల్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ have only non-negative integral powers are called polynomials. Okay, these are only the polynomials. These are not polynomials. These are only expressions. These are also expressions. These are also expressions and also polynomials. But only these two are only expressions, but not polynomials, because these variables or these terms have negative powers, negative integral powers. So what is the definition? The variables which have only non-negative integral powers are called polynomials. Non-negative అంటే పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ మాత్రమే, పాజిటివ్ ఆర్ జీరో, పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఆర్ జీరో పవర్స్ ఉన్న వాటిని మాత్రమే పాలినామియల్స్ అంటాము. నెగిటివ్ పవర్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని పాలినామియల్స్ అన్నాం, విచ్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్. సో ఓకే, సో హియర్ పాలినామియల్స్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ వేరియబుల్స్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ వై ఆర్ జెడ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్. ఓకే, రైట్ 2x square plus 3x plus 4 or 3x square plus 4y plus 6z, whatever, these all are the polynomials. Okay, So here these all are polynomials, or we can write ax plus by plus cz plus dash dash. These are all polynomials in that x, y, z are variables, and these a, b, c are arbitrary constants. సో ఇక్కడ రాసేటప్పుడు జనరల్గా రాసేటప్పుడు ఏబిసి దీస్ ఆర్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ రియల్ నెంబర్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ నాన్ నెగిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. We don't know what are those. So instead of that real numbers we kept ABC. So these ABC we are taking as constants. These constants are arbitrary constants. Okay, so here next one is, so let us see the degree of polynomials. Now we are going to discuss about degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? What is the degree of polynomial? ఈ టర్మ్ గురించి మనకు ఆల్రెడీ పరిచయం ఉన్నదే, ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్లలో కూడా డిగ్రీ నేర్చుకున్నాము సేమ్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ పాలినామిల్? సపోజ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ టర్మ్ -3x⁵. సో ఇన్ దిస్ -3 ఈజ్ ద మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వేరియబుల్ and 5 is the exponent. Here -3 is called coefficient, and this 5 is called degree. Here degree and exponent both are synonyms. So this is the 5. I have one more, -√7x to the power of 6. What is the coefficient? Coefficient is equal to -√7, and degree equal to, that exponent is the degree, that equal to 6. Suppose I have -7x² y³ and z. Z means z to the power of 1. Now what is the degree of this term? These are only terms, not polynomials. Before going to polynomials, first I am discussing terms, degree of terms. Okay, so in these cases, this is the product of variables. So these variables are factor variables. The degree of this term is, so already you know that this is the coefficient is -7, and degree equal to the sum of exponents of factor variables. The degree of this term is sum of exponents of factor variables. These x², y³, z to the power of 1 are factors. So these are called factor variables, or simply we can say sum of exponents of variables. So that is 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, suppose suppose 10xyz. So this is the, what is the coefficient? 10 is the coefficient is 10. And what is the degree? Degree equal to, what is the degree? There is no exponent, means 1. Here it is also 1, and it is also 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equal to 3. And suppose 3x to the power of -7. So what is the coefficient? Coefficient is 3. What is the degree? -7. So it is not a degree, because first of all it is not a polynomial. Okay, what is a polynomial? All the variables involved have only non-negative integral exponents are called polynomials. So it is not a positive integer, it is negative, so it is not a polynomial. So should not take degree as -7. Okay, so while writing degrees in this also add all non-negative exponents. Okay, so this is the degree of terms. So then what is the degree of polynomials? Okay, up to now we learned only degree of terms. Now we are going to find the degree of polynomials. సో అంటే టర్మ్స్ కాకుండా పాలినామియల్స్కు ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామో చూద్దాం ఒక్కసారి. This is a polynomial. So what is the polynomial degree of the polynomial? So first of all, before going to write the degree of polynomial, first write degree of all the terms. So degree of this term is 3 and this term is 2 and there is no exponent means 1, so this is 1. So it is the constant. Degree of the constant is 0. So in this, among this all, which is the greater one? 3. Therefore degree of polynomial is 3. Suppose I have, it is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? So its degree, it is the constants, its degree 0. There is no exponent means 1, so it is 2. Among this all, so which is the greater one? 2 is the greater one. Therefore degree equal to 2. By observing this, we can conclude that the degree of the polynomial is the greatest degree among the all the terms. ఉన్న అన్ని టర్మ్స్లలో గ్రేటెస్ట్ ఏదవుతుందో అదే ఆ పాలినామియల్ యొక్క డిగ్రీ అవుతుంది. అన్ని టర్మ్స్లలో పెద్ద డిగ్రీ దేనికి ఉంటుందో అదే మొత్తం పాలినామియల్కి డిగ్రీ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ polynomial. These polynomials are variable in x. We can write polynomials variable in y also, that is suppose 3y to the power of 7 plus 6y to the power of 6 plus 8y to the power of 2 minus 10y, like this. Or you can write in z also, 3z square plus 4z plus 8. Okay. Or we can write 3x square y plus 4yz plus 7zx. We can write a polynomials variable in x, variable in y, variable in z. Also we can write variable in 2 variables or 3 variables and so on. మనం ఏ వేరియబుల్ తోట అయినా రాయొచ్చు, ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ తోటైనా పాలినామియల్ రాయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్, సో దట్ ఈస్ an x to the power of n, an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1, an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus dash a1 x to the power of 1 plus a0. This is a polynomial of degree n in one variable x. So and this an minus 1, an minus 2, these are the constants. Okay, so suppose, so here these an minus 1, an minus 2 dash a1 a0 are non-zero real numbers. These are non-zero real numbers. If an equal to an minus 1 equal to an minus 2 equal to dash a1 equal to, so this is a0 equal to a0 equal to 0, then this polynomial will become a zero polynomial. What is the polynomial? zero polynomial. If these all constants equal to 0, ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా జీరోకు ఈక్వల్ అవుతే then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Okay, so that means if these are all equal to 0, it will become 0 because if it is 0 into whatever x to the power of n, whatever the number, whatever the variable, 0 into something is 0, 0 into something is 0, 0 into something is 0. So all the terms will become 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So this total exponent or this total polynomial became 0. That's why this polynomial is called zero polynomial. అది జీరో పాలినామియల్గా మారిపోతుంది. Now what is the degree of zero polynomial? So degree is 3, degree is 2, degree is 1, degree of the constant is 0. What is the degree of 0? Zero polynomial means equal to 0. What is the degree of 0? It is undefined. It is not, okay, it is not defined. So degree of 0 is undefined, so not defined. This is the degree of the polynomial. According to degree of the polynomial, there is some types of polynomials. Let us see. Okay, ఒకసారి వీటిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. Observe these all polynomials. It is 0. It is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. And it is a constant. Its degrees, you can write x to the power of 0. So its degree is 0. Its degree is 1. Sorry, undefined. Not defined. It is constant polynomial. And it is, its degree is 1. So among these two, 1 is the greatest one. So its degree is 1. So it is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. And by observing this, so this is 2 and it is 1 and 0. Among these three, so 2 is the greatest one. So its degree is 2. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And in this is 3, 2, there is no exponent means 1 and it is the constant, so it is 0. So among these 4, 3 is the greatest one. So it is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So if you have more than 3, suppose some 7x to the power of 4, 2x cube plus 5x square plus whatever, some 8. So it is 4 and it is 3, 2, 1. Among these all, 4 is the greatest. So this is called fourth degree polynomial. If you have highest degree as 5, so that is fifth degree polynomial. If 6 is the degree of the polynomial, that is called sixth degree polynomial. Like that, if you have highest degree as n, that polynomial is called nth degree polynomial. అంటే ఇక్కడ వరకు highest 3 ఉంటే cubic, 2 ఉంటే quadratic, 1 ఉంటే linear, 0 ఉంటే constant polynomial, 0 ఉంటే zero polynomial, that is not defined. That degree is not defined. Then 3 తర్వాత ఏదున్నా ఎంత ఉంటే అంత డిగ్రీ పాలినామియల్ అంటారు. 4 ఉంటే ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీ, 5 ఉంటే ఫిఫ్త్ డిగ్రీ, 6 ఉంటే సిక్స్త్ డిగ్రీ, n ఉంటే nth డిగ్రీ పాలినామియల్ అని చెప్తాము. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు డిగ్రీ. And also we have types of quadrilaterals according to number of terms. So first one is monomial. Monomial. If a polynomial have only one term, then the polynomial is called monomial. Example, 3x or minus 7y or 10z, whatever, these are all the monomials. So what is the monomial? A polynomial which has only one term is called a monomial. Second one is binomial. A polynomial with two terms is called binomial. ఒక పాలినామియల్లో టూ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని బైనామియల్ అంటారు. సపోజ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x సమ్ y ప్లస్ z like this. So next, trinomial. A polynomial with three terms is called trinomial. ఒక పాలినామియల్లో త్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ట్రైనామియల్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3x ప్లస్ 4y మైనస్ 6z. సో ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈజ్ multinomial. Multinomial. So what is a multinomial? A polynomial with more than three terms is called multinomial. Okay, now we are going to do the problems from exercise 2.1. Let us see. Find the degree of each of the polynomial given below. To write the degree of polynomial, first you have to write the degree of each and every term. So it is 5, it is 4 and constant, so its degree is 0. Therefore degree of polynomial equal to 5. Among these three, 5 is the highest. So degree of this polynomial is 5. The second one is write the degree of each and every term. So it is 2 and there is no exponent means 1. So its degree is 1. Constant, so its degree is 0. So among these three, 2 is the greatest one. So degree equal to 2. Next, it is the monomial and it has only one term and it is constant. So its degree is 0. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 0. ఉన్నది ఒకటే టర్మ్, ఆ టర్మ్కి 0 కాబట్టి ఆ పాలినామియల్ డిగ్రీ కూడా 0నే అవుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్, సో డిగ్రీ is 6, a degree is 3 and constant degree is 0. So therefore degree of this polynomial equal to 6. So its degree is 0 and degree of this y square is 2. So therefore degree of this polynomial degree equal to 2. It is 1, it is the constant, so its degree is 0. So among the two, 1 is the greatest one, therefore degree equal to 1. So next, second bit. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable which are not? Give reasons for your answer. So first one is 3x plus 5. So it is okay, it has only one variable and it is also a polynomial because its exponent is positive number, it is also positive number, 1 is positive number, so x to the power of 0, it is also not a negative. Therefore yes, it is polynomial in one variable. Second one is its degree is 2, so it is positive number and it is the constant, its degree is 0, it is not a negative, so it is also yes, it is polynomial in one variable. Next one is p square minus 3p plus q. So it is a polynomial but it has two variables. దీంట్లో పాలినామియల్ కానీ రెండు వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇది పాలినామియల్ ఇన్ వన్ వేరియబుల్ అనేది కాదు. నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాలినామియల్ బట్ నాట్ ఇన్ వన్ వేరియబుల్. సో కాబట్టి మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఉండాలి, పాలినామియల్ అయి ఉండాలి, వన్ వేరియబుల్ అయి ఉండాలి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నో ఇక్కడ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రైట్ ఇన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్? షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్, you have to write in numerator. So it will become y to the power of minus 1. It is actually y to the power of 1. డినామినేటర్లో పవర్ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే అది న్యూమరేటర్లోకి వెళ్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్, ఓకే, బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నెగిటివ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్. నెగిటివ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఉందంటే అది పాలినామియల్ కాదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నో, నాట్ ఏ పాలినామియల్. సో నో అన్నప్పుడు కానీ ఎస్ అన్నప్పుడు కానీ మనం రీజన్ కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి. సో దీనికి రాయండి ఇక్కడ. నో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ 2 వేరియబుల్స్. ఇది నో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్. ఇక్కడ నో రాసి నెగిటివ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ అని రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో ఇయర్, సో దిస్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ యాజ్ 5 root x you can write as x to the power of 1/2 plus x, okay, x root 5. X root 5 it is okay. Actually 5 root x whatever. So root x root 5. So its exponent is 1/2. It is not a integral part. It is not a integer. 1/2 it is not a integer. So it is not a polynomial. So there is, okay. So this is no, because its exponent is 1/2. It is not a integer. And x to the power of 100 plus y to the power of 100. So in this it is x and it is y. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. So no. So because it has 2 variables. So this is first and second bits. Now third bit. Okay, third one is write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So first one is coefficient of x cube. This is the x cube. There is no coefficient means it is 1. Coefficient equal to 1. Next to second one. So x cube 2 minus x cube plus x. X cube coefficient is, there is no coefficient means 1. So that is minus 1. Coefficient equal to minus 1. So here root 2 x cube plus 5. X cube coefficient, multiple of x cube is root 2. So coefficient equal to root 2. Next one is pi by 2 x cube plus x. This is x cube. Its coefficient is total pi by 2. So that equal to, coefficient equal to pi by 2. Next to 2x square plus 5. In this there is no x cube term. సో దీంట్లో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మే లేదు, అటువంటి ఎక్స్ క్యూబే కనిపించట్లేదు. సో ఇట్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈస్ 0. Why? Because if there is no x cube term means you can write 0x cube. 0x cube. 0 into something is 0. మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా ఆ టర్మ్ లేకుండా దాని కోఎఫిషియంట్ అడిగితే 0 అని రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో 0 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ అని రాసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోయినా 0 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ ఇది 0. 0 ప్లస్ మళ్ళీ ఇది యాడ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇదే వస్తుంది. సో ఇది 0 అవుతుంది. సో దీంట్లో కొన్ని నేను చేయలేదు, అవి మీరు రాయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ బిట్ ఈస్ క్లాసిఫై ద ఫాలోవింగ్ యాజ్ లీనియర్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ అండ్ క్యూబిక్ పాలినామియల్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద లీనియర్, quadratic and cubic polynomials? Linear polynomial, a polynomial in which the highest degree is 1, then the polynomial is called linear polynomial. So next, quadratic, a polynomial in which highest degree is 2, then the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. What is a cube? If the highest degree is 3, the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So that is, so in this, what is the, it is 2 and there is no exponent means 1, it is 0. Among these three, 2 is the highest, so it is quadratic. And second one is, next one is x minus x cube. So it is 1, so it is 3. So among these two, 3 is the highest, so it is cubic polynomial. Cubic. In this, it is 2, 1, 0. So 2 is the highest, so it is quadratic. In this, it is 1 and it is 0. So from these two, 1 is the greatest, so it is linear polynomial. And it is 3p power 1, so it is linear. And pi r square, the highest is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, this is fourth bit. Next bit we have true or false. Write whether fifth bit is, so it is true or false. Let us see. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. A binomial has two terms. Yes, if a polynomial has two terms, then only it is called binomial. Binomial antene two terms untai. So yes, true. Second one is, every polynomial is a binomial. No. Polynomials అన్నీ కూడా బైనామియల్ కానవసరం లేదు. మోనోమియల్ కావచ్చు, బైనామియల్ కావచ్చు, ట్రైనామియల్, మల్టీనామియల్, whatever. So second one is no. A binomial may have degree 3. Yes, it may have 3, may not 3. So 3 ఉండొచ్చు, ఉండకపోవచ్చు. మే అన్నాడు అంటే మేబీ ఉండొచ్చు అన్నాడు, మేబీ ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్. డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ జీరో పాలినామియల్ ఈస్ 0. జీరో పాలినామియల్ డిగ్రీ ఈస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్. 0 కాదు, నాట్ డిఫైన్. ఆల్రెడీ we discussed that. The degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Yes, its highest degree is 2. So 2. All the terms, so that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Its degree is 2 and its degree is 1 plus 1 2 and it is 2. All the terms have the same. So its degree is also 2. So among these two, 2 is the greatest, so 2 is the degree of the polynomial. Pi r square is a monomial. Yes, it has only one term, so it is monomial. Yes, true. So this is the fifth bit, true or false. Now sixth one. Give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. Degree 10 monomial. Monomial means it has only one term. So x to the power of 10. Monomial. Or 6x to the power of 10 minus 10x to the power of 10, whatever. Minus 7x to the power of 10 or 7x to the power of 10, 17x to the power of 10, 10x to the power of 10, whatever. We can write any one of these. So I am writing x to the power of 10 simply. Next, it is monomial. And trinomial. Okay, so I am writing here x to the power of 10. Second, trinomial. Okay, trinomial means it has 3 terms. So I am writing 4, not only in variable x, you can write in y or you can write in z, whatever. So I am writing in y. So y to the power of 10 plus 6y to the power of 7 plus 10 y to the power of 2. Whatever the remaining coefficients, and remaining exponents, one term exponent should be 10. ఒక్కదాంది 10 ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది, మిగతా మన ఇష్టం. ఇవి ప్లస్లు కానీ ఈ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ కానీ ఈ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ కానీ మన ఇష్టం. షుడ్ నాట్ బి నెగిటివ్ ఆర్ షుడ్ బి నాన్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్. అవి నాన్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ అయితే చాలా ఈ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ ఏవైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు మనం. ఓకే, నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ కాకుండా, ఇంటీజర్స్ కానీ కాకుండా ఇంటీజర్స్ పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రైనామియల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2.1. I think all you followed this video. I think you all are following my videos. మీకు అందరికి బాగా అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. ఒకవేళ అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వీడియో చూడండి. ఇంకా ఏమైనా సజెషన్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో రాయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తేనే నాకు ఇంకా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఇంకా ఎక్కువ వీడియోలు చేయగలుగుతాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.